In this video, I'm going to show you how to create digital products that you can sell online using Canva. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Selling digital products online is a great way to earn some extra money, and you can do that with Canva Pro super easily. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in ebook template or any type of digital product that you're trying to sell. As you can see with Canva Pro, you're going to see not only different templates, but also different ideas. So for example, how to make 10K a month, how to become a content creator, finance basics. There are endless of topics that you can pick from to create your own ebook or workbook. Now, if you don't have an idea yet, I recommend that you do some research or do it in a topic that you kind of know about and that you can teach others how to do it. So after that, you simply have to go ahead and pick up the template that you want to use, click on customize, and now just simply start making it your own. You can delete this image and add images that you like by going through uploads and searching for maybe food if you're creating a recipe in regards to food. I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. And don't forget to customize every single thing from the template so it looks better. Here you can create an introduction. The great thing about templates is that it pretty much tells you what you should be writing about. But nowadays you can of course use AI to guide you through it. Okay, so after you're done creating your ebook, you can just simply share it or download it by clicking on the top right hand corner and then selecting download. And that is it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.